There's a lot of communication between our gut and our brain. And when there is a digestive issue, of course, there's going to be correlation to mental issues too. The food plays a big role. When it comes to like eliminating something, I would say it's not only sugar, it's all form of carbohydrates. Because carbohydrates, it's kind of encourage unhealthy bacteria to grow in the system than grow healthy bacteria. Everything has to be balanced in our body. Overloading with carbohydrates, it overloads unneeded bacteria or unneeded like microorganisms.